what is this?
So we're MobileSentrix. We're an e-commerce site. We sell phone parts, as well as we try to just make it a one-stop shop for our customers. Tools and supplies, accessories, cables, batteries. You can find it all with us, pre-owned devices as well. We've been in the industry for quite some time, and then we're just always expanding. We've recently launched in the United Kingdom, as well as we have a base of operations in Canada. Honestly, we just try to be able to provide the best products for the best pricing for our customers. I'm not sure, we're always trying to look to expand, always trying to help out our customers, and then just kind of work one-on-one with them, be able to kind of help out the repair shops within the industry, things like that.
Well, I love the setup you have here. I love the red carpet, you have snacks. It's very inviting.
Right. I mean, we kind of just want to make it easy for our customers, kind of come in, be able to kind of one-on-one engage with them. If they have any specific, concerns or anything that we can kind of help them out to make it easier for them to kind of work with us.